We're excited to introduce our small animal comprehensive program for animal caretakers and animal care professionals, and we'll be gradually releasing sections as they become available.
Yes, and these will also be updated as trends in the industry change.
Right.
And as we feel there is a need to introduce new concepts and new techniques. And therefore, we definitely encourage all our viewers to keep updated and to go back to some of our sections periodically just to make sure that they haven't missed in on a new edition.
Right. And speaking of our sections, we have them listed here. We have species profile and weight chart. Now this is going to be for all the different species that we see here, and it's going to include animal identification cards which can be placed on the cages.
Absolutely.
And weight charts, which are really important and printable as well.
A lot of downloadable printable material, a lot of charts that we can also plastify so they can be used as POP material for the customers that are actually being educated as they're shopping.
Exactly. Diet and feeding recommendations, the importance of feeding the appropriate extruded diet and
the quantities
and healthy hay.
Ad libitum quantities of hay, and of course the information as to which types of hay are offered throughout the different life stages.
Right. And of course housing and enrichment and husbandry recommendations, there sure are a lot of those.
Very important, and this is going to be an extensive section because we feel this is the most important section for us to communicate clearly the importance of minimizing cross-contaminations between different departments within the pet store.
Yes.
And then also helping our customers learn about ideal and optimal hygienic techniques to clean their cage.
Exactly. Exactly. Safe and ethical handling techniques. That's extremely important.
This is extremely important, and we've tried to include videos and photo series so that we can actually be participants to the education of yourself as well as future employees that need to be trained. The physical health characteristics, which is also going to be a very extensive section. This is not meant for you to become medical experts in the field, although it is definitely important for us to be able to contribute to the education of caretakers around the world in order for you to be able to signal out any health concerns that you may see in the pet store on a daily basis.
Right. Considerations for weight management and grooming of small animal companions.
This is one that we definitely emphasize quite a lot of importance to as well. Weighing small animals can be beneficial both for the caretaker and for the pet store to be offering the service. Both for animals kept in the store and for animals visiting the store.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And then finally, Suzanne, we'll be talking a lot about product knowledge. This is very important for us to be relaying, and we're going to be connecting this back to the videos that will be available on our Hagen YouTube website. And also we'll be linking this with manuals, material that can be ordered and also distributed to your customers and the pet store so that you're aware of the recent releases of educational material that are out there for every product that we manufacture.
Right. We strongly feel that this is complementary to the PJAC certification.
This is very, very important to mention, as we feel highly confident that the PJAC certification for small animals and for all the other categories of pet store animals is essential for a store to be certified and for individual employees to be certified. And we only, our hope was intended to be a complementary to this.
Right.
And so we're hoping to add videos and photos and updated versions more frequently, and so this whole combination of education material will favor optimal recommendations in pet stores and also husbandry.